Hey guys, it's Lee Jordan with USA Roofing, and one thing that we really pride ourselves on is safety and keeping our workers safe, as well as the homeowner, as well as the home. It's really important for us to protect our customers' home, protect their gutters, protect their fascia metal, and things like that. And one way we do that is with a ladder standoff. Now that keeps the ladder on the shingles and keeps the ladder away from the gutter, so we don't scratch up the gutter or damage any metal or any wood that's right there on the eave of the house. We also want to go ahead and protect all of your shrubbery and all your beautiful landscaping. So we're going to lay tarps out over top of all of that stuff, and we're going to also use plywood right up against the house, because the last thing we want to do is damage anything when we're trying to put this beautiful new roof on here. And just like with the standoff to protect the home, we also want to be extremely safe when it comes to putting on a roof. This is a very dangerous job. It's the most high risk in the construction industry. And one way we go about safety, you've already seen us using the harness to keep our guys safe. We also use what's called a Lativator. Now this is a conveyor that will run those shingles all the way to the top of the roof, saving our guys climbing these things up the ladder manually. It adds a huge safety factor to the job, and it just makes the job much more efficient. So folks, that's definitely something you want to think about. Make sure that your contractor that you hire is going to protect your home while they do the job, so they can get it done safely and efficiently. And that's what we do at USA Roofing. So guys, if you'd like to know any more, you can reach us by phone, or you can also reach us on our website, usaroofing.us.